Whoops. That's the old company I used to work for. And that straight truck just rear-ended the semi here. It's not good. Hopefully nobody's hurt. And sometimes stuff like that happens.